Situated opposite the Cup Mall in Vilnius, Lithuania is the Radisson Blu Hotel. I'm going to take you through the room that we booked on the 19th floor and show you what you can expect if you stay in this hotel. On entering the hotel, you find quite a nice lobby area which takes you through to the gym and spa area, as well as the breakfast on the opposite side, and I'll show you those at the end of the tour of the room. After exiting the elevator, you get really nice views over Vilnius, but we proceed to our room now, which is room number 1913. Okay, so this is Radisson Blu in Lithuania. As you come in, you have the wardrobes on the right hand side with an ironing board in there. We have our tea, coffee selection, some water. In the cupboard then we have the fridge and the safe. Now we've got it made up for our little girl, so we've got the sofa bed already made up. On the left, it's quite handy, a sort of Jack and Jill entrance into the bathroom. We'll have a look at that in a minute. So there's the sofa bed made up. This is a suite on the 19th floor, really good size, king size bed, and we show some pretty good views out across Vilnius from here. It's not a great day to see at the moment, but yeah, some pretty good views. TV tower over there in the distance, if you can see it. Telephone, which pretty much nobody uses these days. Nice big king size bed, bit of storage here, robes, slippers. And then into the bathroom we have a very nice large shower, obviously with the shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Towel holders. Oh, we also have a bath, I've just noticed that, with another shower above, in case you both want to have a shower at the same time. Actually, I think 3 you could get in there. And then we have the sink, nice little storage area, and then the door I showed you before, leading off of the toilet. So you do have a separate toilet and wash basin area, which is quite handy, so at least you can use the toilet and have a shower at the same time. And that will take us back out to where we were before, the fridge, and where we came into the room. So yeah. Very nice. If you take the elevator to the 22nd floor, you'll find there a nice cocktail lounge. Gives really nice views over Vilnius from both directions with those nice big windows. So you get Ganymedes Castle in one direction and the TV tower in the other. Back down on the ground floor to the right of reception, you'll find the spa, sauna and gym. So they've got a very nice jacuzzi there. They've also got a sauna, and then around the corner from that you'll find a gym. I'm not a great gym person myself, but as I walked in and looked around, it looked quite modern, it seemed quite spacious. All the machines look new with decent sort of screens and sort of technology on them. You've got some weights in the corner, you know, some dumbbells and things. So I'm not sure exactly what's in the gym, but it looks pretty good, and that's there to use if you want it. And then on to the morning. I knew my coffee in the morning, and the restaurant was pretty good as well. A great selection of food. You've got the chef there that was making omelettes on demand. So obviously you just tell him what you want. If you want an omelette, and he'll make you one there for you. Selection of fresh fruits, hams, cheese, vegetables. You know, pretty much your standard European selection. Nice layout, very clean, lots of choice. Definitely recommend the breakfast as well. So that was my review of the Radisson Blu in Vilnius, Lithuania. I give that a solid 9 out of 10 as a hotel. Really good service, good food, clean, good location. Definitely recommend that, and we'll probably be staying there again on our next trip to Vilnius. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, give us a subscribe. Got a lot of other stuff coming up, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.